Hey everybody, so today is Monday. I don't know about you, but I had a long weekend. So I thought we would do some stretchy and energy boosting or metabolic boosting yoga today. So I want you to sit on a chair very comfortably and let's just do a lazy Monday stretch. Interlace your fingers and pull up and gaze up and do a little bit of a stretch back. And pull down. And let's go ahead and inhale again. And gaze up and pull up and open your chest and back down. And again, up and down. And interlace your hands behind you like this and pull back. And breathe. And if you have difficulty, you can place your arms or hands or wrists on top of the back of your chair. Gaze up. It's a nice little opening in front of your shoulders. And release. Right arm up and stretch over to the left side. Gaze up and back. Lift your left arm up. And bend over to the right. Take a deep breath into your left rib cage. Expand and back. And let's go ahead and straighten the right leg in front of you. Bring the toes up. Hinge forward from your hips. And stretch. Let's just hold it there for a little bit. Go only as far as you can without feeling like you're creating pain. Take a deep breath in and exhale. And switch sides. Left heel forward, toes up. Hinge forward from your hips. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. I'm going to sit like a man and then walk my hands down the legs and just give it a little bit of a decompression. Tight back here. And just gently breathe into your lung space. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Walk your hands back up and sit back. Let's cross your right ankle on top of the left knee. Sit up nice and tall. See how far you can draw the right knee down towards the floor. If you don't have this kind of room, that's okay. But if you're comfortable here, hinge forward, shoulders back, lifting your chin forward. You should be feeling this nice stretch into the right hip. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Come back, right foot down. Place the left ankle on top of the right knee. Push this left knee down. Take a deep breath in, shoulders back. Hinge forward. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. And take a deep breath in and exhale. Let's just place our feet right under our knees and just raise our heels up and down. Raise your heels up and down. Raise your heels up and down. 3 more. Up and down. Nice, easy flow today. Nothing too challenging. Just to get your body moving a little bit and stretching. And back. 1 more. Up and back. Let's raise our arms up and down. Raise it up and down. Raise it up and down. 3 more. Up and down. Up and down and up, and hold it there and just palms up toward the ceiling and just shake side to side and pull it down. And shake your hands out and place it down. Bend your neck forward, roll it to the right, roll it to the left, roll it to the right, and roll it to the left. 1 more time on each side, right and left and back and come up Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that sequence. I'll see you next Monday.